Attendance Awardee. Mateos D. Isaguirre, Deportment Awardee. Femi M. Galvez, Deportment Awardee. Luis Atara P. Paredes, Deportment Awardee. Teresa Nadia A. Agaya, Perfect Attendance Awardee. James Ethan Alcantara, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Josh Rizel Lohan B. Caballo, Perfect Attendance Awardee. And last but not the least, Dwayne Charles G. Ibay, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Congratulations to all the breakthrough awardees and keep up the good work. I have the honor also to present to you the list of Grade 3 awardees, starting with Micaela Denise C. Atentito with High Honors and Deportment Awardee. Leo Fel Nicolai G. Envoltorio with High Honors, Deportment, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Alejandro G. Gamayen with High Honors, Deportment, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Rufo Calvin Dane A. Gaita with High Honors, Deportment, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Princess Moana Paguanan with High Honors, Deportment, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Yuna Victoria H. Rentotal with High Honors and Deportment Awardee. Chloe Shania G. Asho with Honors, Deportment, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Shana Celestine B. Barantino with Honors and Deportment Awardee.